First, the top stories. Indo-Myanmar liaison meet discusses contraband smuggling. Centre likely to sign agreements of peace with 4 Northeast militant groups. And security forces at Imphale's educational institutes removed and sifted. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The 12th Indo-Myanmar Border Liaison Officers meeting was held at ICP Conference Hall today. Officers from both the countries in the meeting discussed on the problems of cross-border drug peddling, sand ferrying and smuggling of forest products. On the Indian side, Deputy Commissioner of Technopol H. Rupachandra, Superintendent of Police, NAB, Assam Rifles officials and officials of Forest Department and Customs Preventive Forces took part in the meet. While on behalf of the Government of Myanmar, Commander of Tamil Police, Lieutenant Colonel Lin Nyang, representatives of Bureau of Special Investigation Tamil, Police Platoon of Drugs Enforcement, Border Trade Tamil, Anti-Trafficking, Customs Department Tamil, Immigration Department Tamil attended the meet. During the meeting, the Indian side urged the Myanmar representatives to curb the constant flow of contraband items into India from the neighboring country. The Indian side also suggested for opening of a border hut in New Samtal area and also reminded the Myanmar side about the recent intrusion by Myanmar police into Holenphai village on Manipur sector of the Indo-Myanmar border, where they reportedly burned and destroyed sawmills belonging to the villagers. This centre is likely to sign agreements of peace with 4 militant groups of the Northeast soon, as talks between them have been progressing fruitfully till now. According to media reports, these 4 militant groups include the United Liberation Front of Assam, ULFA, National Democratic Front of Bodoland, and the FB, Karbi Group and the Kuki Group. While the first 3 militant groups are from Assam, the Kuki Group is a Manipur-based militant outfit. During a book release function in New Delhi yesterday, interlocutor A.B. Mathur said that he is hopeful that the agreements of peace between the 4 militant groups and the central government will be signed within the upcoming months, as talks have been progressing quite satisfactorily. Security forces stationed at Imphale's DM University and Maharaja Bodhachandra College campuses have been removed and shifted to other places. The Manipur government's move comes following various human rights groups and student bodies demanded their immediate removal, describing the step as militarization of educational institutes. Additional central paramilitary forces were recently sent into the state by the centre after massive protests escalated in the state due to the final leg of the Indo-Naga peace process, causing a restive situation. People from the Kabui community in Imphale today held massive demonstrations vis-a-vis Indo-Naga peace agreement. Sit-in protests were witnessed at Kakulong Kabuikhul, Sangai Pro Kabuikhul, Ramji Kabuikhul, Namthanlong Kabuikhul, Moirangkhom Kabuikhul, Kaisamthong Kabuikhul, Mahabali Kabuikhul, Kaikhu Kabuikhul, Sawombong Namdai Kabuikhunjao and several other Kabui villages. The protesters demanded that no Naga deal should be allowed to harm the integrity and boundary of Manipur. Rainforest Club Tamenglong, under the aegis of Tamenglong Forest Division, organized the 5th Armed Falcon Festival at the Unity Stadium, Tamenglong. Forest Minister T.A. Shyam Kumar and Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Head of Forest Force K. Angami and Deputy Commissioner Armstrong Pamay Tamenglong attended the celebration. The festival was organized to mark the 100th year of Tamenglong.
The person some zoom card Jarama Tore, Mana Poutin Sama Pake, 100 tins of Pedi, Aduka Mana, Mahali Beduga, Anido Karan, and Beru's Motokata, government department of Saki and Fabra, Keroto Motokwe, and the Sahi, Yampuna Kanaka, Mayamse, Uyan on the air. Uzi Yan Ragadi, Uzi Yan Batara, Papun Party, Chizaka Kare, Pena, Umang Zikan Yantal A. Masiting by Basi, department is over Matoni, government is over Matoni. King by Basi, Basana, Spacena, only Wahika thing with the hour, but a kind, good support financially and support the player and King Bayaka.
TA Syam Kumar explained on the fact that falcon is currently nesting in Manipur. He said that presence of this bird will popularize Tamenglong, which in turn will help in development of the region. Migratory bird falcon comes to Tamenglong every winter season. Further, the Forest Minister Syam Kumar also talked about steps taken up by the government to curb practice of jhum cultivation and deforestation in the hill areas. He said that the centre has allocated over rupees 30 crore for taking up development projects in the hills. Let's now have this short commercial break, but coming up next, training program on investigation and prevention of human trafficking held.
Luhongbagi furniture set kaloinana style and style amadi local almira phambiragani. Furniture set ama laibada fian ama lemna hapchari loinana ningol chakaubagi akhanabu offer su pizari. Bed, dining table, office table, sofa, almira, fridge asina chingba khudimak phangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsen biro steel decor. Sagol Bantera Akamlikai Imphal Manipur. Contact number 9612167042 natraga 8794714511.
Special Ningol Chakuba and Diwali offers. 10% discount on labor charge. 5% discount on spare parts. For Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors Airport Road, Ghari, near Comprehensive Concept School, Imphal, or contact us at 9366 508 258.
Welcome back after the break. A 2-day state-level training program for police officials of Manipur on prevention and investigation of human trafficking and child abuse cases was kicked off today at the Banquet Hall of 1st Battalion Manipur Rifle, Imphal. The training program is organized by FXB India Suraksha, an NGO based in Delhi, under the project called Mukti, which is an anti-child trafficking project. Police personnel from different districts of the state are attending the training. Speaking to TOMTV, program officer of FXB India Suraksha, Wong So Sang expressed that the training will illuminate the theory and technical knowledge for handling cases of child and women trafficking. He added that police should be skillful in rescuing children and women in distress, apart from steps need to be taken after the rescue.
Thank you so much. Can we see police officers from Thank you. Thank you.
The ever-increasing rate of drug abuse in Manipur, especially among the youngsters, has become a grave concern for the society. We have a report.
With the ever-increasing rate of drug abuse in Manipur, especially among the youngsters, it has become a grave concern for the society and the parents as well. Because of drugs, many happy families have been left in shatter. Peer pressures, broken family, misuse of parents' cash, and frustration are some of the key contributing factors of drug abuse by youngsters. There are also a number of rehabilitation centers which relieve and free drug users from their addictions.
sumba kaya ama dari isi isan mayam dari pesan ni dana khotana dari mayam dari ima su thabuk tawe baba su thabuk tawe ado mogi tolo no penjin buka banana doga yamna phataba ni amo jarame
ada ai nupi do ini isau langjan bai ta nang aina paisa piyo haraga natraga aina pami poto piyo haraga nang napi da bi angang oina ingon thajali ji kai no kai mangon do ini isau langjan bi khosen bi ma dum ai ngamna ba ai noina du pi draga di poche ai si yon thoge natraga sumaina keno tawrage ai ngamna ba sarage ka dumaina moi do ina on khatlaga ai noina keno toksan bai ta.
People working at such de-addiction centers shared their opinions.
Sengna abda jasa abajidi apa pona tira jungi isinau dugi lakai iamba itemba mam ai tuga saba mi mu oire sengna abda sangan ningdel la ningdreba kai hurang idage itemo ina ina pain pi kai pu idage isa ai sa ke doronga ai onda tuga saba mi yengdo yenge sengna abda
aina wawa mayam ama nangkiba ai isada burden kaya ama nangkiba dadi aina jumda layeng kaya ama yengjaki upai leite doctor kaya ama tanaki nisa sa si gi lep na tha manga lepa yawi chahi ama lepa yawi adu hanjan adum relax adum tasaki aduna center gi mating lawdragadi ai recovery chat pasing amoyana su ai khalai be sinaw yam da haijaningi
nisa tu matung dum kani koi gi wakan dum balance thambam dakata bai ta adum hauji ai lei stage se pura barbat ne barbata matung ida dum achawa international gi thak to dak long lam jalwa di kairak se tamna stage se tam ka ga da oi nina dum kairak to amukta mari manga ka teklak pas jai de na thoki jai duna dum kela ga ta ga dum amuka hana mu chasalak pai phibam dum lei
hai bani sa sigi ipak sing sida dum akoi hogulai ba sinau sing sina tasengna sahaning dabagi masak to oibna maram oraga sabidana phajana isagi oiba thodang da puning changna chingsan biraga dum laibina bana sikatang thamjagi.
Every youth of the state need to work hard for a healthy and clean society away from drugs. Some say we must also evoke struggles faced by our parents in bringing up and nurturing us.
All Manipur Forward Bloc has demanded the state government to divulge the details of the recent peace agreement between Government of India and NAC&IM. In this regard, a press meet was held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. All Manipur Forward Bloc State Secretary K.S. Gyanesho said that an honorable solution to the 22-year-old Naga problem is indeed a good step, but it must not disturb the territorial integrity of Manipur. Gyanesho criticized the government of Manipur for showing an unclear stand on the thorny issue.
Center amasung state government na Manipur ki praja sing se chamam na ba phibam amada thamme aduga akoi mitai gi phagi oina haina bada gari na tak toraga tak tak sino koi tawge do adugi phibam da leibaduna di oiroi adu yama thuba matamda central government da amuka hanna chaliba political delegation duna oigera natraga Manipur government na oigera pressure PBU aduga Manipur leiba situation je solve tawge ing chikna praja sing ke lehange khanbiraga di heng tawraga losan ba pot amakak thambaduna di Manipur ki praja sing ki thamoi da noma noma gi nungnang ba chingna ba helakani aduna maram oidana pamda ba gotana sing thokpada Manipur ki praja punamak awaba nangani aduga koi society je kangkhong chaigani masi sarkarna khangbiu.
In support of Kokumi, the Koizuman Kwaksify Auto Association organized an auto rally at Bisnupur today. Association drivers gathered at Kwaksify market from where they kicked off the rally and passed through Bisnupur Bazaar, Joypur, Khunau and back. Association President Akham Thiam said they will continue to support Kokumi in its movement.
Thugaigadra akhoi masigi waroi sinse pora haibisida akhoi Manipur gi minister akhoi appeal tawjari masiga loina na Manipur gi hoji oiriba tangtuloi tara da phibam masida karam matam da akhoi na tangtuloi tana hingba ngamgadoriba kokomina toriba sideda akhoi saruk yaba sida suna tana masida gi enba akhoi siu phawba akhoi changsel lakhigani.
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council staged a sit-in protest in support of Kokumi at Iboyaima Sumang Lila Sanglen Palace compound. The protesters displayed placards that read, Indo-Naga talks should not be allowed to harm the Manipur integrity. They also raised slogans that the Naga agreement should not affect the territorial boundary of Manipur.
Koronom dong na wangara, panthoi pan na mawangi. Malem lain na lumbra, palem iman mahli. Adumakti oirakanda palem panthau poriba. Iri pak idam imana khwai dagi heli asugumba ima asibu makhong natraga makhut mami natraga kaigumba hakchang gi kayat amta suon biganu haiba pandam asi pamjabadagi khoi myam je ngasi se khoi protest tawjari
aikoi Manipur da India government na oli sidi lisang sit na koi thamoi jing hak ta bawba tangdu leita na nungai na lenthokpa ngamhandabagi keno se matam yam sang aikoi ne khangpadagi ama natraga ama otna lai masigi otli base khoi yaning de masi tawba yaroi khoi gi Manipur sik ngamkhai si thugai ba yaroi hai bagi keno sida khoi ngasi section mi phamse phamjabani
Nambol Apunba Nupilup and Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization DPU VO jointly organized a stage a sit-in demonstration in support of Kokumi at Nambol Bazaar.
Mahon jagani hai na thambi khunda jagan rosi maya khora mayam da loya ai koi jai ba luki anang al khata ai koi Manipur ki pasin ko asim mo tunga hobi hobi koi khunjang ki anga khunjang kan nei mara masina ai koi namol mayam jo ai koi na namol di lelipa Apun ba lupilu aduga lupur nambol hai ba apun ba bundan balupani sina nambol mayege kari pa laipaki thotwa thoma matamda ai koi niambu matin logena ai koi niambi support niam matin logena ai koi matam di lai kan susi ai koi matam na pemendri ai koi tenai asigum gena.
A woman was mysteriously found dead in Merakhong River at Kodompokpi Maninglekai under Nambol Police Station of Bisnupur district early this morning. A team of district police led by Superintendent of Police Priyadarshini Laisram rushed to the spot after the locals informed the incident. A forensic science team also arrived there for spot verification and collection of samples. The body was found partly decomposed. Cut marks were found on her body. Meanwhile, another woman instantly died on the spot after a truck loaded with firewood hit her at Oinam Awanglekai in Bisnupur district today. The deceased has been identified as Namirakpam Kadambini, aged 60 years, wife of N. Sanathoi. The incident happened when the truck mowed down the woman while she was returning home after visiting a family farm. A team of Nambol police rushed to the spot and later took the body to Rimsmorg for post-mortem. A case has been registered over the incident. The police also arrested the driver and seized the involved truck. The driver, who is also the owner of the vehicle, was identified as Ilangbam Nilkanta of Wangoi Thodamlikai. Thangjing Sindam Sang, a skill training center under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PMKVY, was inaugurated at Philim Lekai SBI building, Moirang today. MLA P. Saraj Chandra Singh, chairperson of Moirang Municipal Council M. Romi Baladevi, CEO of KB Philanthropy Imphal L. Manoranjan and CEO MLA Office Moirang PH Nilamani were the main guests at the event. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Saraj Chandra urged the masses to take up industry-based skill trainings. Altogether, 120 individuals of Moirang constituency will take part in the 3-month-long training program. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Luan Aruna Khatang Mai La Mai Adventist Youth Federation West Circle Tuang Youth Camp Hai December 16 to 19, 2019 Namduan Jang National Highway 37 None District Kailuang Gai Khau Adventist Youth Kagwai Guang Kariunu Khang Leaders Gwai Rui Samda Lobam The Chabuan panti akhatna sumai lungkhau nei lana ringswang mai gai cham kadam la cham khang guang lo diu khang ti thai.
Welcome back. Jelliangrong Human Rights Protection Forum JHRPF has condemned the Manipur government over neglecting court order asking removal of G. Robindra Sharma as Engineer-in-Chief of the Water Resource Department. During a press meet at Giant House, Deolan in Imphal, Forum President Robert Gonmai said that the Chief of Bongjang has also pleaded for his removal in the High Court. According to the court order, Robindra shall not continue any kind of work from July 1st, but the government is still defying the court order, he said. Robert added that they will further approach the court on the matter.
Human Rights G. Robindra Sharma masamak nasu division bench ki order do mahakna appeal tawraga review tawbiu haina appeal tawraga High Court ta lairibini adugi court of hearing du chu hayeng tang manga November 2019 do oiribini adu mathakta akoi government sina tawrib sidi akoi India ke level so make in new India hare Manipur ki kano so akoi ki cabinet aduga aso asang sing so make in new India new Manipur ha tawraga asigumba zugot sa thawang je tawr lairdi kamaina akoi anova akoi ge aphaba in Manipur aduga achumba do kamaina purakadabra haibse aina government so hangni adu mathakta si court ke order laina moina Engineer-in-Chief haina thokrabdina akoi magi kano so phangrabna proof so phangrabna akoi court of contempt so tharni haina akoi ningthogi lekhomang na so adum akoi lepraga lairibni
amuk ani rakta natana ahum lang mari rak helakpa duda hauki ba Mars ki thaman duda High Court ta case thabani ado single bench na su division bench na su July 30 da magi thabag ase amu hanna sangtok pa yara hena order tagrabani adubo order tagraga su inong nong na hojik Engineer-in-Chief na ma amuk tholak pase masigi ai yaning dabu ena amuk Sri G. Robindra gi mathakta masi yaro hena case ama thangkat ke na media gi thongda khanghanjabani.
Federation of Government College Teachers Associations Fegokta Manipur has postponed the proposed cease work strike till November 9th. However, the federation will start the cease work strike from November 11th if the government fails to implement the national policy of 7 UGC pay and regulation 2018 by November 9th. The federation's decision is in view of the prevailing situation in the state, also college elections, a statement said. The decision was adopted during an emergency meeting of the Fegokta Executive Committee yesterday. 2 more deaths have been reported from Bru refugee camps in Tripura, according to media reports. The death toll has increased to 4 in Bru refugee camps of Kanchanpur, North Tripura district. 2 others have reportedly died earlier. The 2 new deaths reported from Naisingpara refugee camp, Okoso Molsoy, aged 2 years, and son of Moniram Molsoy, and Bristirung Riang, aged 65, and wife Goma Riang, reported death on Sunday. The Mizoram Bru Displaced People's Forum claimed that due to starvation they have died. The forum leaders told that since last couple of days they are not getting food, and due to that the deaths have been taken place in the camps. More than 35,000 Bru refugees are staying at different refugee camps of Kanchanpur since last 2 decades as they fled from Mizoram due to ethnic clash with the Mizos. The 9th phase of repatriation has started from October 1st this year. Till now, nearly 700 people were repatriated to Mizoram from Tripura. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met State Councillor Aung San Suu Kyi of Myanmar on the margins of ASEAN-India Summit on Sunday. Media reports said, recalling his last visit to Myanmar in September 2017 and the visit of the State Councillor to India during the ASEAN-India Commemorative Summit in January 2018, the leaders expressed dissatisfaction at the progress of the vital partnership between the two countries. Prime Minister emphasized the priority India attaches to Myanmar as a partner at the crossroads of India's Look East policy and the Neighborhood First policies. Towards this end, he emphasized India's continuing commitment to improve physical connectivity to and through Myanmar to Southeast Asia, including through building road, port and other infrastructure. India would also continue to strongly support the expansion of capacity for Myanmar's police, military and civil servants as well as its students and citizens. The leaders agreed that people-to-people connectivity would help expand the base of the partnership and therefore welcome the expansion of air connectivity between the two countries. And the growing interest of India's businesses in Myanmar, including the plans of the government of India to host a business event for the CLMV countries, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar and Vietnam in Yangon at the end of November 2019. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Ideal Club today defeated Ilsa by 4-0 in the first match of the first El Kirani Memorial First Division Football League 2019 at Multipurpose Ground Moirang today. In the second match, Ilsa beat SYC by 5-3. The tournament is organized by District Football Association DFA Moirang, Manipur. After extreme pollution levels in Delhi almost led to the first T201 between India and Bangladesh getting cancelled, the second T201 is in danger of being disrupted by severe cyclonic storm Maha. India will face Bangladesh in the second T201 at the SURAJ Cricket Association Stadium in Rajkot on November 7. The weather forecast says that the cyclone could cause heavy to very heavy rains in Saurashtra and South Gujarat. If the forecast is right, the second T201 may be abundant due to heavy rains. Former world number 1 Srikanth was pitted against reigning two-time world championship and top-ranked Kento Momota of Japan in his opening round, but he pulled out of the tournament. Srikanth will now feature at the Hong Kong Open World Tour Super 500 next week. Sindhu and Saina will once again be India's best bet as they look to put up a good show this week. Men's doubles pair of Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy and Chirag Sethi, who had reached the finals at the French Open last month, will also be something to watch out too. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Indo-Myanmar liaison with discusses contraband smuggling. Center likely to sign agreements of peace with 4 Northeast militant groups. And security forces at Imphaal's educational institutes removed and sifted. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.